Hello, everyone, and welcome back to post-market analysis. So the market had a last 15-minute recovery. If you see, that's recovery on S&P 500. Throughout the day, the market was selling off. At the end, when it was alerted in the group, in the Discord, it was alerted the bottom is 509.90 right here at 11:17 in the morning. So we knew it, close to that price target, the market will bottom somewhere. Why it will bottom? The reason being, if you look at this golden line, I'll change the color, so I'll increase the visibility to, let's go black color. So this is the VWAP line. When the price was separated from the VWAP line the whole day, the price separated from the VWAP line right here, and all day it was trading under this line. And then we had the falling wedge in the demand area. So this is the point where 509 we were looking at, the market will reclaim the VWAP, and that's what exactly happened. Right here in this price, the market went back to the VWAP and closed the price right in this area. So this is especially you need to pay attention when you are scalping throughout the day. 5-minute time frame, VWAP separation, take the long position at the meeting of the VWAP and the price and the candle, exit the price target. So this is what you do in the scalping. So when the price is below or above the VWAP, price will always come back to VWAP on a smaller time frame, 5 minutes. It's universal fact. No matter what time frame you're trading, it will come back. But on a higher time frame, generally you will never see the separation in the VWAP. If same situation here, let's say this was the separation part. If you go to the day time frame, you will not see any separation here in the VWAP. There is no separation here. So that's why, look, the black line is right under this candle. So you cannot find the separation in the price on VWAP. But on a smaller time frame for scalping, you can find it. So since the market has closed on the recovery side, tomorrow we'll be looking at 515, 516 area, max upside 521. And that will be the upside tomorrow, maximum. So it should hold this area tomorrow, this area, 509.15, and that should be the bottom. We are in wave 2 on daily chart. We are looking for market to hold this area, this from here, this point 481, all the way up wave number 1, wave number 2. We are looking for the wave number 3 to start as soon as possible, like in a day or two. The market has to turn bullish at this point. Moving straight to Tesla, we have an earning tomorrow. The price is in the falling wedge. Again, you can see that smaller time frame. Again, you will see the last minute recovery. I closed my covered call on Tesla as well as the covered on TSLA in the daytime. Right here, book the profit, and we are back above the VWAP. So what will happen? What I'm looking at, the price target on Tesla here. This is what I'm looking at, 254.86 upside. So from here, there is a possible one more drop right here into earning, because earning is hard to predict. But only thing we know that the price will move about 10%, 9.6% fluctuation. If it drops 9.6%, right away we'll take the long position. We double down on TSLA long, because we have for January 26 and January 27 position. We'll double down as soon as it drops 10%. If it doesn't drop, we'll continue holding at 254.86. This is the price we'll be looking to cover on TSLA and Tesla. So this is the price target we are looking at. So the range, if you talk about the range, we are looking for $206.84 to $254.86. So this is the range we are looking at, from 206 right in this area. If I highlight for you, this is the range we are looking at. This is the range we are looking at. If price drop in this area, we'll double down our on TSLA position. If it goes up, this is where we go covered. Right now we are holding TSLA, and the covered position has been closed for the profit. We see a bullish divergence right here. RSI is recovering. So tomorrow, most likely, we'll see some green light. Moving forward to NVIDIA, very similar pattern, but NVIDIA has still not marked the bottom. That's the problem with the NVIDIA. NVIDIA bottom is at $86, $86.10. But tomorrow, I'm looking for the recovery towards $101.32. This is the point we are looking at in the Fibonacci area. So retest the Fibonacci, and we will also retest 200 EMA in the Fibonacci area as moving forward. 101.32, and then there will be an undecided area. We will see whether the market will continue upward or retest. Moving forward to Let's go to MSTR. Sorry, MSTR. We are bullish. The stock is literally flying. Again, we are making higher and high trend line. Again, so the price target we are looking at on MSTR, we are looking for 390. So this is the price range we are looking at. So from anywhere from $309 to $390. So that's the range. Our price should stay about 200 EMA and bounce like a wick retest like this and then bounce again. So I'm looking for long term within like 2 months or 2.5 month time frame, 390.37, which is roughly about 20%, means MSTX, we are looking at 40 to 45% upside on MSTX. So MSTR bullish. Let's jump straight to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is exactly doing what we were expecting. Since last 2-3 weeks, I was bullish on Bitcoin in the 76 to 80 area. I was looking for 88. Today, we precisely hit the price target right here, 88,575. This is the area that we were looking at. So price target has been hit. We are in wave A now. So if you look at carefully, this was wave 3. Wave 3, you can always identify when there is a IFC candle, like when the price is going up fast, moving like this, up, and suddenly it's gone up too high. So this is always the case of wave 3. So wave 1 start from here, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the wave 5 finish here. Now what we are looking at, the maximum downside we are looking is, this is wave A and we are in a recovery of B. So what we are looking at, retest this price, 87, this Fibonacci golden area, 87 something tonight, 87,700. So most likely this is the repetition of supply we will see once again right here in this area. And that makes sense. It will bring us to the 0 point of Fibonacci. So 86,373 should be the bottom, and it should hold this one and continue towards $92,000, which we are looking at. So tonight, a little bit more bullish right now, a little bit of more recovery, then the sell-off, most likely 10 p.m. because we are looking at 30-minute chart. So in next 7 to 8 hours, so we are looking for a sell-off on Bitcoin. And then tomorrow, we are looking for the recovery towards and cross the 88, the higher price point. If you look at the channel, we are bullish. Retest this area, continue the upward price action right in this area, $90,000 this way. Since we are looking at 30 minutes, so we are looking for tomorrow, tonight price action and tomorrow night. Even on daily chart, we are green. So Bitcoin is bullish. Everything is good. Here, trade, very interesting trade is happening on IBIT. There is a lot of $60 call has been purchased for October. So very interesting. Any pullback on IBIT, I'll be looking for $60 call for October. That's the same trade I want to repeat, similar to the institution, what they are buying. Wix, the last and final assessment on the Wix. Wix had a solid run today. If you look at this one, now we are looking for the pullback in 26, this area. This is the area that we are looking for. If Wix is pulling back in this area, means S&P 500 will recover, and that's what exactly happened. The Wix was going up the whole day, and the market was selling off, and suddenly last in 1 hour, the Wix started pulling back and market started going up. If you look at S&P 500, you can compare it. Last 2 candle exactly. So right here, the price spin, 30-minute of 2 candle, 1 hour, green. Wix, price spin, last 2 candle, red. So Wix I'm looking for the Wix to drop tomorrow to retest the Fibonacci in this trend line right here in 26, 27 area, this price. So it means that tomorrow the market should be bullish. And then once we retest the Wix in this area, then we have to decide, because this is the undecided area, whether the market will continue or downward. But if you look at current situation, MCAD right here, it's clearly showing a death cross. So it means the market should open green tomorrow and make an upward momentum. So tomorrow we are looking, but tomorrow, as soon as we have this drop here and the market goes up, we'll be going covered right away, because then will be in undecided area whether the Wix will continue dropping or it will have a recovery back. So tomorrow, most likely before the market close, we'll be going covered on most of the position, and we'll see this tomorrow. Most likely the market will be green. This drop, Tesla into earning, very important. This is I always miss to discuss. So Tesla, tomorrow we have post-market earning. As soon as the price recover to this area, 237 area, to this area, most likely tomorrow we'll see the high volatility on Tesla. A lot of institution buying is happening today on the dark pool. So if we come in this area, 237, or maximum, we'll see once we cross this area, 237, this is where we will go covered. During the earning, we want to stay covered. We have no idea what will happen during the earning. But because the delivery number were down, I'm expecting a stock to sell off. So pump before the earning in this area and then sell off. But there is something very interesting news about Tesla tomorrow in the earning call at 5 about the robotaxi, which most likely be launching in June, and we are not very far. So that's why it's very important to stay covered through the earning. But we have a bullish momentum. Even if the price drop tomorrow, this is the last drop on Tesla. If I go here on the chart and I go to the daily, as well as I'll pinpoint the weekly. So this is the point I'm looking to hold right here, this area, 206 area right here. So a little bit drop and then continue the upward momentum into 350. If I go to the weekly, you'll see that weekly, it's holding 200 EMA today. It's 1 week candle. So since last 1 week, the Tesla has been holding 200 EMA, and there is a multiple rejection here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been 6 weeks that Tesla is holding this line. So if Tesla managed to hold, which MACD is giving us the indicator that it's turning bullish this way. So if tomorrow, or let's say one major drop and suddenly the recovery, we are looking for the all-time high to take down this point. This is the volume needed area we have left this week. This is the price we are looking at. So once the bull run start after the earning, right away we are looking for this area, 450, 500 area. So this is the price target which is coming. Let me run the wave and I'll give you the precise price target. So first price target 254.86. Tesla first price target 254.86. And on a daily chart, long run, we are looking, once this weekly chart bounce off 200 EMA, we are looking for 432.19. So 432.19 is right in this area. This is where 432 is coming, this green candle. So if I drag this, this is where we are going. So 254 and then 432. So make sure we don't want to give up on our share. 254 area right here. So I see there is an SR interchange in this area. This area. So first price target 254.86. Second price target straight into 432.19. We don't want to give up our share. We'll be closing our covered call wherever we get the opportunity to book the profit and exit. This is the area we want to dump our share, anywhere from 394, 400 area. That's where we want to close all the position and exit. Because once we reach that area, we'll be again taking the short position. Because Tesla is a high beta stock, it fluctuates a lot. It's not that it will go to $500 and then again it will not drop to $250. It will. It might go to $550 and then come back to $300 or $280. That's how it works. It's a high beta stock, fluctuate a lot. So tomorrow earning will be interesting to watch. And I'll be posting some Tesla earning trade tomorrow. We'll be playing the earning on this one. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's all for the post-market analysis. I'll be live at 9 a.m. pre-market tomorrow for some new update after the overnight trading. Thank you.